Like she could not wrap her brain around it. And that's why I took it upon myself to be the one to do the reaching out, because my mom did not have the mental capacity to do it.
Yeah.
She was fit to be tied. She was just over it. And she could not handle the emotional pressure of trying to figure out what had happened to her sister. So I took on that, and I didn't get a chance to grieve because I
Yeah.
was, in go mode. I was in go mode, and it took a toll on me. And then, months later when my mom died, I really had no choice but to just take a step back